Feel like I'm being punked. Hi! It's so good to see you again. Thank you so much for coming back. So today we're going to be opening up August's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And this runs $25 a month. It is plus tax, so I end up paying roughly about $26.75. I live in New York. What am I gonna do? And it usually includes 4 to 5 full-size products. So let's open it up and see what they have for me. And the theme this month is Bare Yourself. Ava, okay. And this is a hydration cream mask. My face is freshly washed. Yes. And it's supposed to help brighten and hydrate your skin. And it costs $33. Ooh, it goes on super smooth. Feels like a moisturizer. It doesn't actually feel like a typical mask, but I guess that's why it's called a hydration cream mask, so that's good. And apparently you're supposed to do this 1 to 2 times a week. So, leave it on for, how long? 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse it off. So, I shall check back in 5 minutes. Clock starts now. I set a timer, but apparently I never hit start, so who knows how long it's been. But this is what I'm looking like, so I'm gonna rinse it off and I'll be right back. So I washed it off. It feels like you're washing off a moisturizer when you're rinsing it off. Yeah, my face feels so soft. It doesn't feel like it's drying out like it normally does after I wash it. That is a great product. I'm a fan. What is this? This looks super bubble wrapped. Oh, it's a nail polish. Smith & Cult. Color Pillow Pie. I've also gotten another color from them which worked great, so I'm very happy to try this. As you can see, I still have the nail polish from my glossy box video. It's looking kind of ugly, that's why I'm not coming up close. So I'm just gonna put this on and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got Pillow Pie on my nails. It's very sheer. I'm not sure I'm a fan of this. This is not the color I would normally pick. Not the greatest nail painter in the world, but it's okay. And this is $18. Set of brushes, 5 Farah brushes. I do like that they're clear. That is so awesome. Look at that. Almost like glass, but they're not. This is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. And I am going to be adding them to my collection. And these cost $50. What? You telling me $10 a brush? Really? You're telling me $10 a brush? I feel like I'm being punked. I mean, they're pretty and all, but $10 a brush? I don't know about that. This is the Dream Big palette, and there is a mirror included. I'm just gonna bend that back, and that is the palette itself. This is it. It's a nice gleam on that. I really like that. All in. All in is very light. Go for it. Nice brown. You can's good. Happening. Oh, that's a nice purple. Really light. Hustle. Whoa, this is a dark color. Yeah, it's like a shimmery dark brown. Really weird. This one's feeling grainy as well. This is Ambitious. Oops, try that again. And this is Risk Taker. Alright, well that's the palette. It's very subdued. But I like it. It's good. Go For It, which is a dark brown. It's like really dark brown, and it shows up just as dark. I was actually really surprised. There is a little bit of fallout on the palette. I went in with Ambition right underneath it. It's a really light color, so all I did put it on there was just to lighten it up. Yeah, they're blending really well together. Considering they're like exact opposites, I'm a little bit surprised, but that's good. I did a cut crease, and I went in with the shade Happening. I started on the outside because every time I start on the inside, I always run out of space. All In right next to it. That's a nice shimmery shade. On the inner corner, I went in with This Is It. I messed up a little bit, that's why it looks a little smudged. I was like, no, this is like the best cut crease I've ever done. And just to end it up, I put a little bit of the Hustle right at the very tippy tip. So this is what I'm looking like zoomed out. Wow, this is like my first cut crease that I'm actually like impressed by. Usually it's like, ooh, Kevin. All right, so this is how it is looking so far. I'm just not gonna do an eyeliner because I think it's dark enough. And an eyeliner would detract from the amazingness that I just created. And who knew it would be with a Tarte palette of all things. The one that I just called boring. Boring is poppin'. Finding Ferdinand. And it is a lipstick. And it's in the color Knob Hill. How exactly do you open this up? That was so weird. So it's like this. So you hit the bottom. It pops out. Hit it again. It locks it in. Oh, okay. So not so weird. Just unexpected is what I would say. Cool though. Interesting. Ooh, and they have their name right on the side. And that is the shade. That is really red. Classic red lipstick shade. Yep. Pop of sophisticated color. Okay. That instantly pulls the look together. Well, I definitely have a look, so it needs to pull. That's a nice red. And it runs $30. Yeah, it's a red lipstick. It's okay. It's good. I don't like that it's overpowering my eyeshadow though. I put on pretty eyeshadow and you're like trying to take over. But I do like this packaging where you can just like, that is cool. That's it. That was everything included in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. If you're interested in signing up for it, I'll actually leave a link down below. And have a good one. Bye.